Hey Libra, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. For others of you, there may be somebody new that's getting ready to come into your life if they haven't already. And maybe Spirit is saying they want you to open up, and talk to this person. Don't let like what happened in the past turn you away from this individual that can be really, really good for you. So patience is needed, but yeah, it's like you've been doing the work, you've been manifesting someone new, and I feel like this person's coming in. And this could be your person. There's the wedding card, but I would definitely want to clarify. So let's see. Tell me about heart-to-heart conversations, please. Y'all, my money's on the past, though. I ain't even gonna sit here and lie to y'all. New love. Okay. So it still can go both ways. Either this is like for my single Libras, you guys have been manifesting someone new, and I feel like they're coming in. There's a new love offer coming into your life. For others of y'all, this is the past person coming back, and they want to give you this brand new love offer. They want to start over with you. Clarify worth waiting for. Clarify worth waiting for. Religious factors. Y'all, ooh. Y'all, this is leaning more so towards the past for me. Y'all know, uh-oh. It could still go both ways, Libra. Y'all, ooh, okay. I'm gonna just tell it to you guys both ways. Let me do this first. Tell me about calling in your soulmate. Ooh, Libra. Reconciliation just tried to jump out. See, honeymoon. Okay, y'all, it's going both ways. So, I'll be able to figure it out once I get to diving in. But what I'm seeing here, let's start off with the single Libras that's manifesting someone new. That definitely can be the case here. I do feel like there's somebody coming new. Maybe it was like Spirit was saying patience was needed for you because you had to let go of a lot of things that you were doing in the past, a lot of people that you were dealing with, like you guys were awakening. You were going through your spiritual transformation, and I feel like you guys are right where you need to be. And so this new person that's coming in, this could be someone that you're going to be meeting while, you're out and about. You could be traveling. So, yeah, there could be definitely somebody new coming in because you manifested a soulmate. You're tired of the past. You want to move forward. Completely get it. So, now, for others of you, okay? So, there's somebody from the past coming back, okay? They're coming back. And this person, they're definitely making plans to speak their truth. They could be planning to come and see you. They've been going through their awakening. So, y'all, this is already possibly screaming soulmate, twin flame situation. I definitely feel like this is why patience was needed. This is why this person was taking so long, because they were going through their lessons. I feel like they did have an epiphany when it comes to you guys. They're coming. They're just trying to figure out how to even approach you at this point. But, yeah, y'all, there's somebody coming. Either which way, whether it's someone new or the person from the past, somebody's coming back. Or they're planning on it this month. So, let's just see how this plays out. Can we just enjoy our season? Alright, y'all. Let's see. Alright, Spirit. Alright, Libra. Let's go. Let's see what's going on. Bottom of the deck, I have the King of Cups. So, there's somebody here that's very sad, very emotional. Some of you guys could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. So, yeah, let's see. Somebody's upset about something. Maybe somebody's trying to figure out what to do. Somebody's trying to figure out how to come back in. This could be telling me that somebody's trying to decide on what exactly to do. Like they're trying to make the best option here, pick the best option in order to come back. Or this could be you guys, like you're trying to figure out what to do in order to move on with your life. So let's see. Clarify the Seven of Cups. Let's see. Yeah, see, somebody's having a hard time. I feel like somebody's trying to decide on something. Tell me more. But whatever it is, they're coming out of being frustrated at this point. Okay. Okay. I saw 3 cards that they were playing peekaboo in my hand. So what I just saw, somebody is definitely trying to figure out what to do because there was no balance here. There was no balance. Somebody could have been in some type of third-party situation. Somebody's heart could have been broken. Let me just see. Tell me more. See, somebody wants to balance things out. Look at that. They're playing peekaboo, look. But they're trying to make a decision. Somebody's trying to decide on what to do. Yeah, because it's like they're coming out of this energy of being sad. Yeah, but see, you guys, okay, somebody could be dealing with an air sign. Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But Libra, I do feel like you guys cut someone off. That's why I was telling you, I was picking up this is more so somebody from the past. And see with the 5 of Swords at the bottom of the deck, this person is frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. I told y'all, I feel like this is somebody from the past. Now, I just heard for some of you guys, you had to cut something or someone off, and it frustrated you because you really didn't want to do it. Because it's like for a lot of you guys, you felt like this was the person that you're supposed to be with, but they weren't acting right. They weren't doing what they were supposed to do. So you had no choice but to cut them off so you can move on and manifest someone new coming into your life. That way you guys can just move forward because it's like you're tired of being in this stagnant, stuck energy. See, and the way the moon just came out, some of you guys could be dealing with a Pisces, but at the same time, it's like, honestly, I'm picking it up from this other person's perspective. I feel like this person was being very sneaky towards you guys in the past, and I do feel like they're trying to figure out how to come back to speak their truth. Tell me more. Yeah, see? Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but I'm telling you, this person, whoever this is, they want to move forward with you. Because I'm telling you, I feel like in the past, okay, y'all, I don't want to confuse y'all, because I know what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to get it out, okay? But honestly, I'm really picking up this person from the past again. I know. Y'all believe me. I know, okay? I know. But I have to be honest with you. So whoever you guys were dealing with, they were just sneaky, okay? They really were. And I feel like that in and out energy, they had to cut that off because there was a breakup. It's like you guys cut them off, you ended things, but see, now they're scared. If they come back to speak their truth and let you know that they want to move forward with you, they're feeling like you're not going to accept them back. And this is why it's like every time they want to rush in, they want to say something to you, they don't. Because they're afraid that you're going to reject them. This is why I see this person planning, see? They're trying to figure out what to do. They're trying to decide. They're trying to weigh up their options. Tell me more. Yeah, look. See, 5 of Swords because they're frustrated. They feel like they lost you for good. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Let's see. This representing you guys. Let's see. The world tried to jump out reverse. So that's telling me, I feel like this is, you guys are representing the Queen of Pentacles. This person feels like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you because they feel like you're moving on. You're healing. You know, you guys have stability in your life. And you're just like, F that. I don't need him or I don't need her. And you're moving on. But see, this person from your past was moving really, 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 really slow. They're still moving slow because a lot of you guys haven't heard anything from them. But I do feel like they want to pick up the pace. They want to come back and they want to say something to you. Tell me more. But see, they can't decide. Look at that. The way the 10 of Pentacles just came out, it's like they want stability with you. They want to move things forward with you. They do see themselves marrying you. But at the same time, they're not content with how they've treated you. They're not. Tell me more. 6 of Pentacles tried to jump out. They do want to balance things out, and there's Temperance. This person definitely wants to balance things out with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Tell me more. But they're not talking. You don't know this. You don't know that they want to balance things out with you. You know, you're picking up this energy like, you know what? They don't care enough about me to even speak up to me. So why should I hold on? Why should I even give them another second of my time thinking about them when they're not even making a move? They're not talking. I'm telling you, this is somebody from the past. They're not saying anything to you right now. Yeah, because they're not positive they can win you back. They don't know. It's because you guys let them go. I'm telling you, you dropped them. Tell me more. And they're not content. They are not content. They do not have a peace of mind because It's like you had to walk away. You stood your ground and you walked away from this person because they were playing games. They couldn't make up their mind. They didn't do what they needed to do to come back in to fix the situation. Tell me more. If this person was stuck, like, in a situation, or this person just, they didn't speak up as far as, like, showing you their emotions, I feel like they do want to do that. They're coming out of that energy. Tell me more. But they know that they caused an imbalance with you. It's just like, man, he or she is not going to take me back because of what I did. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. Tell me more. But it looks like they're coming out of being frustrated about the situation. Okay. But they're just not taking a leap. This person is scared. They're not taking a leap at all, Libra. It's just like they don't know what to do. See, they want things to improve with you. They really do. What's this junk? Yeah, but see, they're sitting back thinking. They're reflecting on everything. I'm telling you, this person is scared. They're in their head a lot. They're trying to figure out how to even approach you, what to even say. That's why the Seven of Cups jumped out as the first card. Look, I see the Devil. They're scared. I'm telling y'all, they're scared. They're scared that you're going to reject them when they come back towards you to speak their truth. But this was their lesson. This is their lesson. They have to say something to you, Libra. Tell me more. Yep, see, look, they have to have the strength to come towards you. And I feel like they will. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But see, I'm telling you, they're afraid you're going to reject this offer. They're afraid. They feel like you're not going to take it at all, see? But Spirit is saying they're not using their intuition at all. Yeah, the way the Seven of Pentacles just jumped out, it's like they want to come out of their head and they just want to make a move, but at the same time, they know that they took a long time. They had you waiting, and this is the problem. They're frustrated. They are. See? This person definitely wants to give you an offer. It's the offer that you deserve, that secure offer. But see, the way the Four of Wands just jumped out and it landed right on top of new love, I'm telling you, this person wants to come back to give you this new love offer, but at the same time, they're afraid they're not going to have a happy home with you. They're afraid that even though they want to have it, it's just not going to happen. It's not. Somebody could be dealing with an air. Why did I just say air sign when this was clearly an earth sign? Okay. So this could be referencing an air sign for some of you guys, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But I'm telling you, this person is afraid that you're not going to take them back because of what they did. See, this is why communication is coming in really slow, Libra. This is why it's coming in slow. See? They're not confident within themselves, but, you know, at the same time, they know that you're owed an apology. They have to come to you and speak their truth. They have to tell you that they want the Four of Wands with you. They have to speak up, because if they don't, it's over. Like, and they know it. Look, see, I'm telling you, they don't want you guys to look back at what happened in the past. But see, this person is scared that the seeds that they planted with you is just not going to grow. They messed up. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. But I feel like maybe somebody had to walk away from something that they were in, something that was toxic. Whatever was going on with your particular situation, I do feel like it did break your heart. There could have been a third party. Whatever it was, it's like they know that they hurt you to the core. And that's why they have to come back apologizing, begging on their hands and knees. This person knows it, okay? Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But I'm telling you, this person's afraid that there's not going to be a new beginning here. But remember when I told you guys this person was going through an awakening. They're making some changes here that are it's just necessary. They have to grow up. Because if they don't, look, Ten of Cups reversed. They're not going to have that stability with you. They're not going to have that happy family with you. And they do want things to improve. Tell me more. Yep. But it's like they don't have any hope because of what they did in the past. They do want happiness with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Clarify the sun, please. Okay, hold on, y'all. Clarify the sun. What almost came out of my hands was the Ace of Pentacles. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. But I'm telling you, this person is going to come back and give you the offer that you deserve. It's going to be a stable offer. Some of you guys could be dealing with an Aries here. Tell me more. But see, yeah. They know that this person, like, messed up bad. They kept messing up. And they kept stabbing you in the back. And they're hoping that you can forgive them. Look, they ghosted you. You see these two cards? I feel like Okay, remember I told y'all this can go vice versa, cross watcher. This could be you if you were dealing with a Libra, this could be your energy if you're dealing with someone else. But whoever this is resonating for, I'm telling you, you guys are healing. You guys are healing. This person, like I said, kept doing you wrong. They definitely ghosted you. They definitely left you out in the cold. But you see these two cards? They're reversed, which is telling me that you guys are healing. You've been healing. You, like, in order for you to move on, you have